Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking to this video. So today we're gonna be making beans cake, aka akara. This is one of Nigeria's best snacks. So let's get started, guys. Into a bowl, I'm going to pour in my beans. I'm using brown beans. You can as well use the IP beans. So the next thing is to add in water, then wash properly. Wash the beans until the back of the beans is totally off, okay? So at this point, our beans is nicely washed. The next thing is to transfer the beans into the blender. We are going to blend this until the beans is very smooth. So I added onions and habanero pepper. We are going to be blending this together. We are going to add in water and blend until the beans is very smooth. So after blended the beans, we are going to transfer it into a bowl just like this. Guys, if today is your first time coming across my video, thanks for clicking, and please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I uploaded a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. So the next, I added seasoning and salt. So we are going to whisk this until everything is well combined. So now the next thing is to fry the beans cake. Into a pan, I added my vegetable oil. So I'm just going to allow this to hot a little, not too hot. Just check on average mood, okay? So now I'm just going to scoop the batter into the oil just like the way I'm doing in this video, okay? So when we are done scooping, the next thing is to start flipping the cake all over so that it won't get burnt. Just continue flipping so that the beans will be nicely fried without it getting burnt. So we are going to fry this until it's golden brown. At this point, our beans cake is nicely fried, so we have to scoop it out and repeat the same process until we are done, okay? And please, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So at this point, we are done frying our beans cake, aka akara. So what will you be eating this with? Is it pap? Is it custard? Is it curry? Is it agidi? But I enjoy mine with custard, and it tastes so good. Look at that, guys. Look at it. It was so yummy and delicious. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.